Yo, what's up? This is Boss JP in the house. Good evening, guys. Our recipe for today is pinapaitan. Woo! Baby. Luya and then kabida-bida sibuyas. Luya in. Pabida-bidang sibuyas in. Naman loob ng baka. Pisok-pisok na natin, baby. Pamienta na di masyadong durog, 2,500 pieces. Alright. Ito na, patis, pampalasa guys. Unti lang muna. Ayun guys, takpan muna natin para mas mabilis magburok-burok yung niluluto natin. Papait in. Comes to pinapaitan. Okay na to. Sinigang na baboy. Ito guys, lagyan na natin yung itab tsaka yung baboy. Itab ang special ingredients. It's okay, it's alright. Nalagyan na rin yung patis. Water. Hintayin natin mag-burok-burok. Sinigang na baboy with itan.